Yeah, really.
Ow! Will! Ow! Haha. I like the stash. Where are you going to clean up?
I'm going over here because I gotta go clean up a spill.
Oh no.
I don't know where the spill
Yeah,
is,
where's the
but
spill?
I'm gonna go find it.
Alright.
I can't exactly be doing this right now.
Oh, okay. Well, I will catch you later. Goodbye, my boy.
Capacity.
Bro. Me. It's time for kids.
Want to say hi to the
Let's
vlog?
make it a good weekend.
By this we know that we have come to know him if we keep his commandments.
If we,
No, keep his commandments.
if we,
Keep his commandments.
if we.
Is it working? Hey! What?
Bag of bones, but I just can't win the fight. I'm slowly drifting. I ran out of the road. I'm better than I didn't know. You turned me around. You placed my feet on solid ground. I've been questioned. I've been sick. You have to heal my heart. You changed my name. Forever free.
So, what's the over?
Oh, try it.
Or nice and
Control. Oh yeah.
We're making toast.
Yes, we are. Daniel, let's see it. Wow. Well, we're making a tube train, and whoa!
Oh my god, what? Oh my goodness.
I can't see it. Oh my gosh, bro!
Like this?
You go. Great.
My mom.
Beautiful. Everyone! On the water!
Shark! Yeah. You win? What's in your place to hide? This winter is so